Today, we are going to be discussing the IELTS General Book 8 Test A Writing Task 1, the informal letter. The topic is, you have recently moved into a different house. Write a letter to an English speaking friend. In your letter, explain why you have moved and describe the new house. And lastly, invite your friend to come over and visit. You may begin your letter as follows. Dear Dash. Now this 150 word informal letter can be written as follows. Dear Jay, now this is the opening salutation where you will write the first name only. In para 1, you will greet your friend and then mention the purpose of this letter. In para 2, you will explain why you have moved. In para 3, you will describe the new house. In para 4, you will invite your friend to come and visit. In para 5, you will summarize the letter and then end with warm regards, Arjun. Now this is the closing salutation where you will write the first name only. The following slide shows an 8-band score sample of this essay. Dear Jay, how are you doing? I'm quite well. I'm writing to inform you about the new house that I have moved into. You may recollect that I had mentioned to you that I wanted to create an office space in my apartment. The house that I was staying in at that time did not have a spare room for that purpose, and so I decided to take up a larger apartment in the same locality. The new apartment not only has the spare room that I wanted, but it also has a higher floor and its wider windows offer a great view of the Bay Area. And now that I have a larger apartment, I suggest that you come over and stay with me the next time you are in town. I am looking forward to you coming over. And until then, I close with best wishes for you and your family. Warm regards, Arjun. Now you can see that this is written in 151 words. Once again, thank you for watching.